Coming up next on Sweet Seasons, Mexican Specialties and Vegetables product demo, with Tony and Danny.
Now more than ever, health has become a top priority, right Tony?
That is correct, Danny. Luckily for you, Sweet Season has you covered with all these healthy products. We got celery, we got carrots, we got broccoli, chayote squash, red radish, beet, gray squash, cucumber, Mexican green onions, aloe vera, cactus leaf, and cactus pear.
Oh wow, I feel like I've never really seen these or used them. Could you tell me how?
Of course, aloe vera you can use it as in the green juices. Cactus leaf you can use it in salads as a side in your meals, and the cactus pear you can use it as a dessert since they're sweet.
Alright, and these three, I see that they're basically the same thing, just different color. How does that vary by color?
The color, it just means that they're different from different seeds, different varieties, but in terms of taste, it tastes the same. Before you consume this, I have to tell you that you have to remove the thorns before you consume them.
Okay, over here on this side, I feel like I am familiar with these products. Sometimes I feel like I don't know how to use them. Could you tell me what combinations I can make with the products you have here available?
Of course. As you might see, we have different varieties and we have different products, and there's not limited ways you can use them. But the most popular ways you can use them is salads, soups, or green juices, for like this one.
Wow, this looks delicious. So, keeping the doctor away takes more than just an apple, right?
You're right, but remember, you can always count on Sweet Seasons. Always fresh.
Always available.
Always
Sweet
Sweet
Seasons.
For more information on this and all of our products, check out our highlights section or visit sweetseasonsllc.com. Always fresh, always available. Always Sweet Seasons.